Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our emergency brake cable for the 66 to 76 Ford Broncos. Emergency brake cables on classic vehicles can suffer from wear, breakage, or rust due to age or lack of use. Dennis Carpenter now offers a brand new cable specifically designed for these vehicles. This cable runs from the handle to the equalizer lever and features a high-quality cable that is PVC coated for corrosion resistance, has the correct crimped ends, and comes complete with a retaining clip. So if your emergency brake is not working correctly and the cable is the cause, Dennis Carpenter has just what you need to get your Bronco emergency brake functioning just like it did fresh off the showroom floor. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.